Hi everyone. We are very familiar with compound open sentences, conjunction, disjunction, implication, double implication, and negation. Now we shall study theorems on compound open sentences. Theorem 1. The truth set of the negation of an open sentence P of x is the complement of the truth set of P of x. See here P of x is the open sentence. Negation of P of x is negation of the open sentence. T of truth set of negation of P of x is this is complement. Complement of truth set of P of x. Open sentence. That is in words, truth set of negation of open sentence is equal to complement of the truth set of open sentence. Okay. Proof. To prove T of negation of P of x equals T of P of x complement. First, here we have to prove that first part T of negation of P of x is a subset of T of P of x complement. The second part we have to show that complement of T of P of x is contained in T of negation of P of x. Okay, first take any element belongs to this set. Then we have to show that that element belongs to this set also. Let A belongs to T of negation of P of x. This implies negation of P of A is true. A belongs to truth set nothing but negation of P of A is true. Negation of P of A is true means P of A is false. This implies A does not belongs to truth set of P of x. Because P of A is false, therefore A does not belongs to T of P of x. Does not belongs to this set means A belongs to complement of this set. That is, A belongs to complement of T of P of x. Here first we have taken T belongs to this set. Then we have shown that T belongs to T of P of x complement. Therefore, T of negation of P of x contained in T of P of x complement. T of P of x complement. Call it equation number 1. Second part, take any element of the set complement of T of P of x. Let B belongs to T of P of x complement. This implies B does not belongs to T of P of x. Okay. If it belongs to complement of a set, then it does not belongs to that set. P does not belongs to T of P of x. This implies P of B is a false. B not belongs to truth set, then P of B is a false. P of B is a false, nothing but negation of P of B is true. Therefore, B belongs to truth set of negation of P of x. Here we have taken B belongs to complement of T of P of x and shown that B belongs to T of negation of P of x. Therefore, T of P of x complement contained in T of negation of P of x. Call it equation number 2 from 1 and 2. Here if A is a subset of B and B is subset of A, then A equals B. By using that concept from equation 1 and 2, we have T of negation of P of x equals complement of T of P of x. That is, truth set of negation of an open sentence equals complement of truth set of P of x. Second theorem, theorem 2. The truth set of the conjunction of two open sentences containing the same variable is the intersection of the truth set of its components. That is, here P of x and Q of x are two open sentences containing the same variable x. This is and symbol conjunction. P of x and Q of x. Truth set of conjunction of two open sentences P of x and Q of x containing the same variable is equal to intersection. This is the symbol of intersection. Intersection of truth set of its components. Truth set of P of x and truth set of Q of x. Proof. To prove T of P of x and Q of x equals T of P of x intersection T of Q of x. First take any element belongs to this set. A belongs to T of P of x and Q of x. A belongs to truth set of this set. Then P of A and Q of A is true. This implies and P of A is true and Q of A is also true. P of A is true, nothing but A belongs to T of P of x. And Q of A is true means A belongs to T of Q of x, and symbol nothing but intersection. That is A belongs to T of P of x and intersection T of Q of x. Therefore A belongs to this set and A belongs to this set. Therefore T of P of x and Q of x contained in T of P of x intersection T of Q of x. Equation number 1. Next, let B belongs to this set T of P of x intersection T of Q of x. Intersection nothing but T belongs to this set and B belongs to this set. B belongs to T of P of x and B belongs to T of Q of x. B belongs to this truth set nothing but P of B is true and B belongs to T of Q of x. Q of B is true. P of B and Q of B is true. True nothing but B belongs to truth set of P of x and Q of x. Therefore, T of P of x intersection T of Q of x contained in T of P of x and Q of x. Question number 2. From 1 and 2 we have T of P of x and Q of x equals T of P of x intersection T of Q of x. Theorem 3. The truth set of the disjunction of two open sentences containing the same variable is the union of the truth sets of its components. Same. Here we have used the disjunction, that is T of truth set of P of x or Q of x equals T of P of x union T of Q of x. Proof. To prove T of P of x or Q of x equals T of P of x union T of Q of x. First take any element belongs to this set, then show that that element belongs to this set. A belongs to T of P of x or Q of x, then A belongs to this truth set P of A or Q of A is true. That is P of A is true or symbol distinction or Q of A is true. P of A is true nothing but A belongs to T of P of x, or Q of A is true nothing but A belongs to T of Q of x. A belongs to T of P of x or union T of Q of x. Therefore, this implies T of P of x or Q of x contained in T of P of x union T of Q of x. Equation number 1. Next, take any element belongs to this set, then show that element belongs to this set. Let B belongs to T of P of x union T of Q of x. This implies B belongs to T of P of x union or T of Q of x. B belongs to this truth set nothing but P of B is true or Q of B is true. P of B or can be written as disjunction symbol or Q of B is true. This is true nothing but B belongs to T of P of x or Q of x. This implies T of P of x union T of Q of x contained in T of P of x or Q of x. Equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2 we have T of P of x or Q of x equals T of P of x union T of Q of x.